Hi everyone, this is Mike, Family DIY TV on the YouTube, and today I want to share with you a piece of information that I actually got last night from my buddy Dave. He got it from his dad, and we're not 100% sure if it's right, but it makes so much sense. I must share it with everyone. Okay, so I am in my garage, and I'm going to show you something right here, real quick. I don't know if you could see, yeah. So this is an on and off button that's on on a lot of devices, right? And I don't understand, why don't they just say on and off? Like, wouldn't that make it a lot easier? I can't tell you for how many times I've been like, I don't know if it's on, I don't know if it's off, and I have to test it. But my buddy had a little bit of a hack that it was taught to him by his dad, and it makes sense. And I'm gonna kind of explain it to you, and I think it's gonna help you. Okay, so let's just get it out of the way. Now that I know that this is on. When I click this down, the line, and I know this is off, okay? Now, it would be nice if they just put on and off, like I said, but this one even says stop, right? So this is how I always remember, but I still literally, I could just, for some reason, I have a defect. Maybe this is just me, but I never know which one is on and off. So let me show you how he was taught how to remember. So if anyone knows how electric works and how to do like a schematic for electricity, I'll show it to you right here. This is kind of like a schematic of a switch, okay? So this one is on because the current of electricity goes through the switch. So that means the electricity is flowing from this point to this point, so that means it's on. This one means it's off because the electricity may be coming this way, right? I forget which way it is, but it can't get through, right? So it's a break in the system. So this one is the 0 or the O for open. And the line on those on and off switch is on. And what that's indicating is that the current is able to flow through the switch. That's really what that means, that line. I don't know if this means, I think this means open. I really don't know what that means, but this is how I remember it. Now I know. Now I just think of this in my mind and I go, oh, the O is for open and this is for the current able to go draw through. Now I know, so people may just go, why don't you just remember that? I don't know, for some reason I could never remember it, and I don't know. So I wanna thank Dave, I wanna thank Big Dave, Senior Dave, whatever. Thank you for the hack. I hope this helps someone. I'll tell you, it helped me, because I don't know why I have this defect, but I just can never remember which one is which. And it's on so many devices. It's on our umbrellas outside, for God's sakes. All right, so I hope that information helped you. And maybe I'm just the only one with a defect and everyone's gonna, just flame me in the comments. Hey, whatever. But if this information helped you, hey, help me out. Give me a like, give me a subscription. And I appreciate you watching and I appreciate you. Thank you.